Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious homemade pizza from scratch. First, let's talk about the foundation, the dough. You'll need 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 200 milliliters of warm water, 5 grams of active dry yeast, and 5 grams of salt. Mix these ingredients thoroughly, then knead for about 10 minutes until smooth. Cover the dough and let it rise in a warm place for at least 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. This crucial step ensures a light and airy crust. Once your dough is ready, it's time to build your masterpiece. Start with a delicious sauce. A simple crushed tomato sauce with a pinch of salt, pepper, and a touch of garlic works wonderfully. Spread about 100 milliliters of sauce evenly, leaving a 1-inch border for the crust. Next, add your favorite toppings. Think fresh vegetables, quality meats, or even some fresh herbs. Finally, sprinkle about 150 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese over everything, ensuring good coverage. The secret to a perfect pizza crust lies in the baking. Preheat your oven to its maximum temperature, usually around 250 degrees Celsius, with a pizza stone or steel inside for at least 30 minutes. This intense heat creates a beautifully crispy bottom. Carefully transfer your assembled pizza onto the hot stone. Bake for approximately 8 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly charred in spots. Keep a close eye on it. Congratulations, your homemade pizza is ready. Before you dive in, let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the cheese to set slightly, preventing it from sliding off when you cut it. Use a sharp pizza cutter to slice it into 8 equal pieces. Serve your delicious creation immediately, perhaps with a side salad or a sprinkle of fresh basil. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cheeses, sauces, and toppings to find your ultimate pizza perfection. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.